Welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Karen Roach. For more information about me, please check the description box below. We're currently doing a series on the teachings of Jesus, and today I'll be reading to you from Matthew 24 verses 29 to 31. It's about the coming of the Son of Man, or as we would say in the Jamaican language, when the man with God pick come. And please, may I ask you to just like this video, share with all of the friends and the family, click the subscribe button so that whenever there's a new reading at 5 a.m. every morning, Jamaican time, you will get a notification. Tankuno.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me I go read from Matthew 24, verses 29 to 31. And this is about when the man with God pick come. But in a them time there, little after the sufferation done, the sun a go dark up, the moon now go shine, and the star them a go drop out of the sky. Everything where in the sky a go get shake out of them place. Then you have sitting where make everybody know say the man where God pick a come. People are go sit sitting there up in the ear, and people from all over are go start bawl. Them are go see the man where God pick a compound cloud where come out of heaven, and him a go have power, and one bright light where come from God a go shine round him. Him will send him angel them. They come blow the trumpet loud, and then go and gather up the people them where him pick from north, south, east and west, from all over the world. This a God word in the Jamaican language. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.